Yes, we will now look into the installation and setting up of Java Development Kit. We call it the JDK. The Java Development Kit is called the JDK in short. We will now set up the JDK. In case you don't have it already installed and configured, we will download it first from the web. Nowadays, JDK is available from two sources. One is the Oracle website. Oracle is the primary distributor of Java Development Kit. And there is another variant called the Open JDK, which can also be used for our development work. Whereas we follow the Oracle JDK. We go to download the Oracle Java Development Kit. I'll simply open the browser, load the page for Oracle JDK. I'll first go to Oracle page and then download the JDK. Oracle.com. It's loaded. Then products. Wait. We will go to developers. Wait. JDK should be available here or developers because JDK is a development tool. Developer Resource Center. Um, Maybe it should be available here. No. Right. And then the services AI web. No. We'll go to no. Oracle Home again. Right. Um, Technologies, languages, team, community, downloads. Yes, downloads. And here we have Java SE, JDK, Open JDK and Java SE. Both are available. It's our own choice whether we go in for Open JDK or Java SE. It seems we may go in for Open JDK. I told you we would be following Oracle JDK, jdk.java.net. Now JDK version 21 is available as the stable release. We need not go in for yearly access JDKs. Java SE. It's available under GNU General Public License. Mm, okay. Linux, Windows. We have a zip file for Windows. We will download the zip file. We'll download the zip file. Let the download finish. We will wait for a while. It seems we have gone to the wrong link for downloading OpenJDK. I think it's the link. I don't know why OpenJDK is not getting downloaded. It's coming down. Yes, we will wait for a while. Let it come down. It's okay. It's possible for us to even download the Java SE as the JDK for us. You may even go to Java SE link, and here we will be having JDK, not the early access, but JDK 21, the normal JDK, x64 RPM. We need Windows installer. Wait, ARM64 compressed archive, ARM64, x64 compressed archive. We should go in for x64 compressed archive rather than ARM version. Uh, Windows, and it's showing up Linux. We should go for Windows and x64 because we are running 64-bit operating system on Intel compatible processors. We need to download this one. It'll also get downloaded. Both are equivalent. You need not bother about which version you download. You simply have to download one of them, not not the things, not both the things. One of them will suffice for our needs. Let it get downloaded. Now go to downloads, Windows E. I have gone to downloads. Yes, and the JDKs. Both the JDKs are available here. Open JDK and JDK 21. It's better I go in for JDK 21. I now take it to this PC, C drive. And maybe I shall create a folder for Java, new folder. I'll type it. The name is Java. Now I go. I paste the compressed file, zip file in this location. Yes. Then I right click upon the file, then extract, then extract all. If you have any unzipping client like WinRAR or WinZip, you would be able to do it even better. It's okay. If you don't have anything, you will have extract all as the option. Windows itself will extract all the contents. We need to wait for a while and let it complete. Um, yes. Now you take a look at the folder JDK 21 Windows x64 bin. We need to simply go into the folder and JDK 2101, and there is a folder called bin. This bin folder will contain all the accessories we need for compiling and running Java programs. And you just take a look at this Java C. This is a Java compiler, and you take a look at this Java. This is a Java interpreter. These are the two programs we normally use for compiling and running our own Java source code. Okay, now how to configure this? How to make Java available everywhere? I'll now show you what happens if you did not configure the JDK in Windows. I press Windows or CMD, then Java C. Java C is not found. It means we need to Java C is available, whereas we need to make Windows to know that Java C is available at a particular location. This can be done very easily. You simply click upon this place, you right click, you select everything, then you right click, copy. Now you open Windows or Control or Windows I settings, then environment variables, environment variables. When you type half of it, it shows environment variables, edit system environment variables. You go to edit system environment variables, then environment variables. Then you may choose either to set the user variable or the system variable. I choose to set the system variable. I say new. No need for new. There is a variable called path. You simply click upon path, press edit, then you paste this path. You say new and then paste the copied item here. Control V. If you press Control V, it'll get pasted. Then press enter. Then press OK. Then press OK. Now you close all these things. All these things are closed now. Yes. Now, if you type Java C, it will not run again because this command window was open prior to the configuration of path variable. I have to close it. Then Windows R, CMD, I make it larger. Then I type Java C. See what happens. Since we have given the path of Java C in the environment variable section, Windows knows how to run Java C, where to find it and how to run it. It's running. Okay, now we will simply have one program. We will compile one simple program for displaying welcome script, and we will go off. We are not using any large scale IDEs. We are using the bare minimum tools available in Windows. I issue the command notepad welcome.java. You note this spelling. W is in capital because you have to type it letter to letter matching under the class name. I press enter. Press yes. Say yes to new file creation. And then I type import java.lang.star. This is a formality because java.lang package is always imported by default. You need not bother about importing it, whereas I say it as a formality. You need not bother about it. Mm. Wait, zoom. I'll increase the font size. Zoom in, Control Shift plus. View, zoom, Control plus. Okay, this should be okay. Control plus. Okay. Mm. Now I say class welcome. This W is capital because I have typed welcome with capital W in the command prompt. Class welcome. I then place a curly brace, close the curly brace. It's always better you close whatever braces you open then and there. You will not forget to close them later on. This will create unnecessary errors during the compilation of the program. Public, static, void, main, string, arg, array. I close it. I close the bracket. Then I close the curly brace. Done. This is the bare minimum for creating a desktop version of Java program which runs on the command line or runs with a graphical user interface. You need a class. The surrounding class is welcome, and you need a function, main function, at least one function, which is called the main, public static void main, and it has got a default argument string with capital S. The S is capital. You need to remember this. And a list of arguments in the form of an array. ARG is the name of the array, and the square bracket open, square bracket close indicates that it is an array. You can use indexes from 0 to n, whatever the length of the array is, you can use. Now we are not bothered about the argument itself. System dot out dot println. This will simply print one line of result. Welcome to Java. Yes, I close the double quote, I close the bracket and then place a semicolon. Each line of code ends either with a semicolon or with a curly brace. This is important in Java. You will close each line of code with a semicolon. I save this, close the window. Then I have to issue the command javac welcome.java for compilation. If there is no error, it will not give any reply at all. In case there is an error, we will create some errors and we will see what happens. We will create main. Instead of main, we will say man. And instead of string, println, instead of println, we will say println. We are making deliberate mistakes to see what happens when we commit some typing mistakes. Javac, welcome.java. It'll report the bugs. At line 6, print n is not recognized. Therefore, I need to go to line 6 of the program and change it. There is a mistake. It has reported the mistake. I'll save println again. Then I compile. Even now, it will not. Uh, oh, it has succeeded. Whereas man is a legal function. It did not. What is it? It will not run without a main. If I run it, it will not run. We need to have a main program. Uh, I would not, what is it? I would not make it to be a non-desktop program. Java say welcome.java. The compilation succeeded. Java, welcome. This is the process for running. Now it runs. If I type man instead of main, notepad, welcome.java, I may remove this I save it. It will compile but will not run. Javac welcome.java, it compiles. Whereas when you run Java welcome.java, welcome, it says there is no main method. Therefore, it is necessary for a desktop version of a program to have a main function. I save it, I close it, I close and then go back, recompile. with Java C command, Java C welcome.java, and then I type Java welcome. Done. The result is displayed. Okay, now we have installed JDK on a computer which does not have JDK. We have downloaded the same from Oracle website, and then we have issued Java C command for compiling the program, Java command for running the program. It's okay. You simply practice this.